What's up, my friends? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a good day, but today we are going to play what are we going to be playing? Munching Masters, that's what it's called. Wait, what? I'm confused. Quests, what does that do? Let's see. I hope you guys are having a good day. Please subscribe and like the video. It really does help. Hey, get away, you're too fat. It really helps out the channel. Wait, hang on, I forgot I need to change my avatar. No. I need to change, I just noticed. Can I? Okay, yes I can. Okay, this might take a while. Okay, I am in. Well, not yet, but well, yeah, there. Now I go to cost. Wait, is it on here? Easy. Yes, it is. There. Okay, now let's just reset. Bruh, who's her sister? There we go. Much better. Ooh, this looks cool. Oh my god. Ooh. Right. Okay. Quests. What? What quests? Oh, oh yes. So it's called, Munching Masters. Munching Masters Code 2021. Every game that has a code, I go to Google, I type up the code, and then I redeem it, and then I see how much money it gives me. Internet for me. Can you be a bit faster, internet? Okay, my internet is acting very slowly. Alright, let's see. Ooh. Okay, just go like copy, and then just go back into the game, and then I'm just like, ha. Yay! I got 300 coins. Copy. Paste. Yay, another 300. Scotty. Copy. Paste. Yay, another 300. Release. Copy. Paste. Yay, 150. 2M. Copy. Paste. There. Yay, 150. Hunger. Copy. Paste. Delete. Yay, 150. 50M. Copy. Paste. Yay, 300. So I just go like bam, and then kabam, and then back in, and then yeah. Oh yeah. Wow. Right there. Okay. Let me see. Oh. No, I don't want that. Oh, what's... Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Okay. I'm not sure if I should be doing this, but, oh no, way too much. Dude, I'm nearly there. Oh my god, 160 sucks. Oh well. At least I'm getting thicker. Yay! Oh god. I need to start zooming out. You know? Oh. Can I just hold it? Oh wow, look at my belly. It's black. Disgusting. Oh, nearly 100. Wow. 100. Just another 150 to go. Yay. Zoom out. Ah, spam click. Leave safe zone to earn more money. Leave safe zone. Okay, how am I still not out of the safe zone? That makes no sense. What? Oh. Wow. Ha! Now to get more. Go, jeez, don't! No. No! Oh. No! Stop it! You're being mean. That is not your territory. Ha! I go to shop. Then I go to food. Then I go to that. Then I go to that. Oh wow. Hey! Hi! Oh, 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Oh. Yeah, I know, right? Now I can... Oh. Oh, skins. What does that do? Daddy, run! 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 Ha ha! Run! Run for your life! Run! Run! Ha ha! No! Oh God. No! Why isn't it working? Good. Good, good, good. What if I press Q? E? R? T? Stick figure. How am I a stick figure now, boy? Boy, how am I a stick figure now, boy? Run! Run for your life. Run! Okay. Oh. Ah. Run! What happens if I press T? Nothing. Just need to run up here. Okay, I can do this. Why are they visible? Yes. I'm nearly up. Oh wow, there's a town. I actually never knew that. Now help me, man, to do this. Because I literally have no idea. Yay. Oh, thank God. Thank God. Okay. I am up. Yeah. Oh. What? What do you mean by capturing? 1. Yeah, that's right. That's right, boy. Woo! I can stand here for until the video ends. Hang on a second. Eating sound on. Music volume. The side. Well guys, that's going to wrap up the video here. If you enjoyed, like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!